Hey everyone, welcome back to Zakai Tech. Today, we are taking a close look at a complete starter package from a highly respected brand in entry-level instruments, the Donner DEK-60 61-key portable keyboard bundle. If you are looking for an affordable, lightweight 61-key digital piano package that brings brand-name reliability, rich onboard sounds, USB MIDI integration, and a full accessory kit right out of the box, let's break down everything this system offers. First, let's look at the keybed design and sound engine. The Donner DEK-60 features 61 standard organ-style keys designed for soft, comfortable action that helps beginners practice longer without finger fatigue. The intuitive top panel pairs a clear LED display with fast selection buttons for effortless navigation. Under the hood, it features a rich sound engine with 300 built-in tones, 300 accompaniment rhythms, and 80 demo songs. It also includes creative performance features like layer mode for stacking sounds, split mode for dual instruments, sustain, vibrato, and dedicated chord modes. Next, let's explore connectivity and practice tools. The DEK-60 is equipped with modern connectivity. A USB MIDI port allows seamless integration with computers, tablets, and mobile learning apps for recording or interactive lessons. For practice options, it includes a sustain pedal jack, an AUX input for playing along with your favorite tracks, and integrated high-quality stereo speakers. When you need to practice late at night, simply plug into the headphone jack for silent, private sessions. Finally, let's examine portability and the included accessory kit. What makes this bundle exceptional is its all-in-one approach. Inside the box, you get a sturdy X-style keyboard stand, studio-style headphones, a padded keyboard carrying bag for travel, a power adapter, a music rest, and piano note stickers to speed up your learning curve. Its ultra-lightweight frame means you can pack it into the bag and take your music anywhere. Overall, the Donner DEK-60 is an outstanding entry-level keyboard kit that delivers impressive sound versatility, USB MIDI flexibility, and a complete set of accessories for any aspiring musician. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, leave your keyboard questions in the comments below, and subscribe to Zakai Tech for more audio gear reviews, instrument tests, and tech showcases. Thanks for watching.